morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 2.7 and I gave some introduction part about simplification of numerical expressions. Okay, let us start the exercise regarding to simplification of numerical expressions. Okay, first. Exercise 2.1 simplify. A Roman first one. 20 divided 20 plus 16 divided by 2. Children, already I told you yesterday how to solve the operations in an order. What is the order to solve this numerical expression? In which order we will follow? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay? In that process only we will start. So first you have to go to division. Underline the part what you are solving first. Underline the part which you are solving. 20 plus 16 divided by 8. 20 plus 8, 28. See the second one. 28 minus 16 divided by 4. First we are solving the division now. So 28 minus 16 divided by 4. 28 minus 4, 24. 18 divided by 3 minus 2. First solve this one. Why we are underlining this? First we are solving this one only. That's why I am underlining. 8 divides 3. 3 table 8. 3 6 are 18 minus 2. 6 minus 2 4. Fourth one. 425. 425 divided by 5 minus 406 divided by 7 minus 3 into 6. First we should solve the division. Yes, na? Here two numbers was given as division only. So first solve this one and at the side 425 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 eights 40. Remainder 2 will be 25. 5 fives 25. 85. Next number 406 divided by 7. 406 divided by 7. 7 table. 7 eights, 7 six are 42. So 7 fives, 7 ones, 7 fives 35. Remainder 5 will be 56. 7 eights 56. So write those two numbers. What the answers you want? So first one 85 minus 58 minus 3 6 are 18. See here 85 minus both are having same sign na? Keep minus symbol only, add those two. 8 plus 8 16. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 1 7 76. Subtract those two now. 85 minus 76. 85 minus 76. 85 minus 76. 15 minus 6 9. So 7 minus 7 0. So answer is 9. Answer is 9. See the next one, children. Fifth one in that. Minus 50 divided by 25 plus 10. See here, first we should solve the division part now. So underline that part. 50 divided by 25. Underline that. 30 minus 50 divided by 25. 25 table 25 ones, 25 twos. So 2 minus 2 plus 10. See 30 minus 2, 28 plus 10. 28 plus 10, 38. See the sixth one. 84 divided by 7 plus 12 minus 3 into 6. First we should solve the division formula. 84 divided by 7. What is 84 divided by 7? 7 ones is 7. Remainder 1 will be, now it is 14. 7 table. 7 2 is 14. So 12 times it is divisible. 12 plus 12 minus 3 into 6. Now solve this 3 into 6. 12 plus 3 6 share 18. What is 12 plus 12 children? 24 minus 18. What is 24 minus 18? 14 minus 8, 6. That's it. 1 minus 1, 0. So 6 is the difference between that. See the B Roman in that they given some brackets. First, if they given the brackets in a sum, first you have to solve the bracket first. That means you have to simplify the bracket first and then the next numbers. Okay, first you have to simplify the bracket and then the next one. See the B Roman. First one, 5 into 2 plus 7. What is 5 2's children? 5 2's 10. 10 plus 7. After solving that, you can remove that bracket. After solving that, after simplifying that number, you can remove that bracket. 10 plus 7, 17. See the second one? 5 into 2 plus 7. First you have to, why they given the bracket means, first you have to simplify the number which was given inside of the bracket. Okay children? 5 into 2 plus 7, 9. 5 9's 45. See the third one? 3 plus 4 into 2. What is 4 2's ma? 8. So 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? 11. See the fourth one? 9 minus 1 into 2. Okay. What is 9 minus 1 children? 8. 8 into 2. 8 2's are 16. See the next one, ma? Fifth one. That one only fifth one. Okay, fourth one I didn't say this is fifth one, ma. Fourth one now. 3 plus 4 into 2. What is 3 plus 4 children? 7. 7 into 2. 7 2 is 14. Okay, see the fifth. Sixth one children. Fifth one here I told you. So now sixth one I am saying to you. See the sixth one children. 9 minus of 1 into 2. 9 minus 1 2 is 2. 9 minus 2 7. Seventh one. 4 of 5 minus 2. Children, if you observe, here not yet given any type of symbol between the number and the bracket. It means multiplication. It means multiplication. So 4 of 5 minus 2. 4 3 is 12. 8 1. 4 into 5 minus 2. 4 5 is 20 minus 2. 18. Ninth one. 3 into 4 minus 2. 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 2. 10. At last, 10th one in this Roman. 3 of 4 minus 2. Children, if you observe here also not given any type of symbol between the number and the bracket. It means multiplication. 3 of 4 minus 2. 2. 3 into 2. 3 bracket 2 means 3 into 2, 6. Okay, like that you have to solve. You have to solve. See that C Roman, it is about here they given as brackets also. You have to simplify bracket also. If they given brackets, first we should solve the round bracket and then curly bracket and then square bracket. Yes, na? So the rule may changes. Here 4 operations only means we will follow D mass. If they given with along with the brackets means it is the process B O D M A S. We will follow this particular order. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. See the first sum in that. 20 into bracket of 28 minus of 17 minus 12 minus 3 flower bracket divided by 10 square bracket. Children, if you observe in this sum, here they given 3 types of brackets. 3 types of brackets. What are those 3 types of brackets? Round bracket, flower bracket and square bracket. So here, right, first you have to simplify the round bracket. If they given the brackets, first we have to simplify the round bracket. What is the round bracket? 17 minus 1. So you have to write the remaining numbers as usual along with the symbols without writing any mistake while writing the sum. See, 20 into square bracket starts, curly bracket 28 minus of, see the bracket 17 minus 12. 5 minus 3 flower bracket closed divided by 10 square. Okay, see the next one. 20 into square bracket starts minus of 5 minus 3 curly bracket starts divided by 10. So here 20 into square bracket start curly bracket 28 minus 5 minus 3 both are having same symbol Anna. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 curly bracket start divided by symbol 10 square bracket. So 20 into square bracket starts 28 minus 8. What is 28 minus 8 children? 20. Now we solve this. So we remove that bracket divided by 10 square bracket. 20 into 20 divided by 10. What is 20 divided by 10 number? What is 20 divided by 10? 10. 20 into 10, 200. 20 into 10, 200. Like that you can solve it. Okay. See the next one. Next one children. Second sum. Two of 61 minus of curly bracket start 35 plus 34 divided by 45 minus 22 curly bracket close curly bracket round bracket curly bracket and square bracket closed. See that sum. 2 of 61 minus curly bracket start. First we should simplify the numbers which was inside of the round bracket. What are those? 35 and 34. So add those two. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 3 6 69 divided by here round bracket 45 minus 22. What is 45 minus 22? 5 minus 2 3 4 minus 2 2 22. Curly bracket close and then square bracket. Okay. 2 of 61 minus of curly bracket 69 divided by 23. Remove the brackets. What is 69 divided by 23? 69 divided by 23. 23 69. Now 3 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6. So 3 times it is possible. So minus of curly bracket 3 square bracket close. 2 of 61 minus of plus. What is minus of plus? Minus into plus minus 3. What is 2 of 61 minus 3? 58. 2 of 58. What is 2 of 58? 60. Next. 2, 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 116 is the answer. Children, while solving you have to be careful and you should not remove the brackets easily. With the solving or by simplifying only we have to remove the bracket. Okay, see the next one, third one children. Third one. 2 of 13 plus curly bracket start 1 plus 11 of 10 minus 8 curly bracket and then square bracket. Okay, see the sum. 2 of 13 plus curly bracket start 12 plus 11 of 10 minus 8 2 curly bracket close and then square bracket. So 2 of square bracket start 13 plus 12 plus 11 2s 22 curly bracket and then square bracket. 2 of 13 plus what is 22 plus 12? We have to simplify this bracket now. Next 2 plus 2 4 3 2 plus 1 3 34. Remove that brackets here. We added those two. Next 2 of 3 plus 4 7 2 plus 1 plus 3 4 47. 2 of 47 means 2 into 47. 7 2s 40. 2 4s 8 plus 1 9. 94 is the answer. See the next one, last one in this session. Fourth one. . 2 10 of 700 divided by 10 minus of curly bracket will be 5 divided by 35 minus 15 curly bracket and then square bracket. Okay. See. 10 of square bracket start. First we should simplify the round bracket first. What are round brackets here? 700 divided by 10. What is 700 divided by 10? Namma? 0, 0 get cancelled. Answer is 70. So 70 minus of curly bracket starts. What is 12 5's children? 12 5's is 60 divided by 35 minus 15. 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 1 2. 20. Next curly bracket close and then square bracket. Okay, see that numbers. 10 of 70 minus of 60 divided by 20. Okay, what is 70 minus of 60 divided by 20? What is 60 divided by 20? 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1s 2 3. So answer is 3. So minus of 3. 10 of 70 minus into plus minus 3. 70 minus 3. 10 of 67. What meant by 6 of 10 into 67? 10 67. So 670 is the answer. Okay children, this sums regarding to BODMAS and DMAS was completed. In the next session we will go through the word problems regarding to that. Okay, till then goodbye.